Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some top popular short hairstyle ideas. First up we see this gorgeous angled bob. Now this one is enhanced with some beautiful pink colored money paste highlights going in the front. She does have blunt bangs with this as well. Gorgeous tapered neckline. Absolutely beautiful. I love the drama behind this haircut overall. Such a chic and stylish haircut idea. So then we move on to look number 2. This one is going to feature a hair transformation. She does start off with shoulder length hair, grown out color, and she is of course looking to do something new and different with her hair. So the stylist has decided to give her this beautiful feathered bob. This is absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is back to its natural chocolate tone. She does have a center middle part with this one and beautiful feathers, really creating a nice volume to the bob overall. And then we see another hair transformation. So she starts off with pretty long curly hair. Now the stylist did cut the hair to about mid-length, and while her hair is not like super short, this is still a very nice haircut if you have curly hair. And then the next look is also going to feature a great haircut idea if you have curly hair, and the stylist is going to be doing a pixie cut with this one. Curly pixies are definitely starting to trend now more than ever, and I think it is an absolutely great way to rock the curly strands. Here we see a curly bob. And then here's a great curly pixie once again. And then here we have a color and cut transformation. So she starts off with, I would say, almost shoulder length hair. Her hair is about grazing shoulder length, grown out color, and the stylist is of course going to shake things up with a cut and color. Gorgeous. She has a nice, beautiful classic blonde color that she received in an overall classic bob shape. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next look. She starts off with a bob haircut. So it looks like the stylist just kind of shaped up her hair with that one. And then we see this gorgeous transformation of this blonde pixie. Then we see another pixie haircut. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that the texture of her hair looks with the choppiness of the layers. So beautiful. And then we see more of a pixie haircut. This is a great option if you are growing out a pixie and you want the hair to be a little bit fuller. So this is more of like a sleeked back pixie cut or pixie cut. It is a little bit on the longer side, but this is a great shape if you want to kind of try something different with your hair. And then we do move on to another pixie haircut transformation. So this one features more of that Peter Pan pixie style. A great option if you are older and you want to add some more volume to your hair. Then we see this gorgeous bob haircut. Beautiful bangs with this one. Nice dramatic blunt angle as well. So if these hairstyles are inspiring you, don't forget to like today's video. And of course, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. I hope that you have enjoyed today's content. I'll leave you with this last hair change, and I will see you in the next one.